person no go see for this social media eh because of relationship na him one boy just remove his girlfriend teeth. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, may you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news wey dey come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about one girl wey her boyfriend just remove his two teeth because of relationship matter. My darling people, not wey person no go see for this social media like seriously. The story go like this my darling people, abeg make una watch this video to the end so that una go learn from inside, because wetin come dey happen these days me I no just understand, and the thing go dey shocktalize everybody like seriously. This girl dey date this boy. He say every time she dey suspect say the guy dey cheat on her. Una dey on very beautiful girl. I go still put the picture wey the girl wey the teeth never comot. I go still put the picture, and the one wey the teeth for still remove, I go still put the picture. Make una see matter. This girl, she talk say im don dey suspect the boy for long time. The boy dey cheat on her. So one day she dey come the boy house, na she come catch the boy. Say the boy dey jogodo with another girl for a house. So that pepper body na the girl begin dey destroy so many things for the boy house. And na this one I see advice for our girls dem. If you come meet your boyfriend say e dey cheat on you, my dear, you see wetin that girl do, e no just cut for at all. Really, e no cut for. Like, why? Wetin go make you go do that kind thing? Because say you catch am say e carry another woman, although e dey hot, but e no reach for you to say you wan come go dey destroy e things because say 12 una no dey again. No. For me, e no just good at all. Wetin that girl do, e no do am well at all. If you ask me, she no do am well at all. You understand? E no suppose make you go destroy the boy things because say you catch am say e dey jogodo with another girl. No, e no good. If relationship no work out, you no go your own separate ways without destroying things. You go all those one wey be say una go come dey destroy things because of wetin na, because of wetin. For me, it doesn't really cut for. It no make sense. It no make sense at all for you to dey destroy your boyfriend things because of wetin na. So the girl destroy the boy things. E destroy am no be small. So that pepper body now, the boy begin dey beat the girl. He beat am so tey e come carry that una know that thing, that whether na plier that they call am, when they remove something now, because na thing remove the girl teeth. E two teeth for front he use that thing remove am. Where una for dey see all those kind Afghanistan boys there? Where una for dey see them? Where una for dey see them? How can a girl go just say na that kind? Me no understand. And the funny part of it be say this boy maybe he don even tell wey don dey beat this girl before. No, he no leave am. He don even tell wey don dey cheat on you, you no leave am until you come catch am red and dead. See wetin he come lead you to now. He just remove e two teeth for front. Who wan come carry this girl now? Carry this kind teeth? Who wan carry am, my darling people? And that one na be the question. So who wan come carry am now? E go hard. E go hard for that girl now to fit come see better guy now wey go come carry am with that teeth, except she go do teeth put, because as this boy don remove this teeth now, e don gbase. E don cower for this girl for where this girl dey so. Even though they even arrest am, e no go die for prison there. He go still come out. So now you make abeg, my darling people. Abeg. I use God to beg our women there. If you can't catch your boyfriend with another woman, leave and make it dey go, not be your own. You understand? No say men, they must want cheat. Cheat don dey some DNA, they no fit stop am. You understand? Some men, there is no how you go even give them rich. You see that cheating, they must still do am for outside. They know they use eye see women. You understand? So for you to come they fight or come they scatter the boy things or come they break the television because say you cash am with woman, like seriously, does it really called for? No, you no called for at all. That's the way you go do. See what it can lead you to now. See what just see the mess when it lead you to. The thing you just really like you get the way it be. You now understand. It dey very, very painful for this girl now to come really just get this kind of teeth. Teeth don't just finish like that. 2 teeth just come out. It just finished the girl. Only God know what she passed through. You know when you remove person teeth with force, guy be very, very painful. That boy, in fact, you don't even make person before because the way where you fit remove that teeth, it shocked me. It shocked me not be small. Hey, my darling people, una need to see the teeth. And wow, not the way person not go see for this social media. Oh, my darling people. Hey, my ogbonge people, wetin una think about this video? Wetin this boy do? Him do am well. Na good thing him do. Wetin him do so na good thing. Make una leave una comment because this one e shockalize me. Abeg our women. If you dey friend boy, you just see the level when e dey bring, abeg make you quit buffer because not be only the man wey dey this world o. If it be say your husband suffer yours dey look you, make you fit misbehave finish because you will still come back to am. Because they say this head, if you never reach where they go, you know they stop. So relationship not be by force, not be do or die something. If you not still work out, everybody go in your separate ways without no quarrel, without no pain, without nothing. Everybody go just go. You understand? So this one I will call put to this girl. And a good thing, my darling people. Not be good thing, no. So my ogbonge people, anything you wanna think about this video, make una leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.